As part of our academy, which is completed 10 years, the whole entire football workshop, what we're doing in clinic for the kids, is one, also a scouting platform for the next year's intake, kids born in 2013. Two, also about our graduates coming back and giving to their society. So what this does is Felixin, who's a graduate from Young Champs, who's been part of the training session, and it's an experience for kids to play and train with a seasoned pro and live life very closely in a training session, how it is done and how they behave and how they are on the pitch, and also some insights on the technical aspects and some fun with the kids. Is good for players to come back and give back to their own region. So the whole idea of this is also to come and give back to the society.
Is there regular selections which happen at each state level?
Yes, Goa being one of the hotspots for us for Talent ID, we do have our scouting network here. We have a dedicated regional scout who is responsible to scout kids across 8 months, all the age groups, and ensure that the best kids are weeded out and for our disposal to come and have a look at them.
Okay. And what is the program like? Like, let's say a child gets selected. So, what do they like? Is it a 1 year or is it a constant program?
Yes, firstly, a scouting process is quite robust. So there is not that a child performs day one and then he's selected at Young Champs. There are multiple layers to it, and after all the processes are done, maybe 3 layers. So he comes once, 3 times he goes under our eyes, and then he's selected for the national camp, where a diverse crowd of kids all across the country come in, and from there the top 16 are selected. If he is selected in the top 16, then he gets a fully sponsored scholarship by RFYC, where education and education and sports, it's football taken care of by the foundation.
And what is the age group?
Predominantly we scout kids born, now this year is 2013, so say under 14 years, 13-year-olds. Yeah, so the entire scholarship program is goes from 5 to 6 years, depending on where academically the boy is, and also his development in the academy, how he's progressing. So it could go from 4, 5 or maybe even 6 years. Since completing 10 years, we've had 40 graduates who graduate from Young Champs. To highlight a few, I mean, most of them are in the ISL, first teams, reserve team setups, I-League, second division, and also there are players who've gone on to play for state, the Santosh Trophy tournaments, and the under-20 nationals, which was happening off late. And to name some of the graduates from Goa itself, we have Nathan Rodriguez, I think quite a prominent name last year, who had a lot of starts for Mumbai City FC. Felixin, who is here part of us today with BFC, has 3 seasons with BFC. Narendra Nayak, also graduate from YC from Goa. He is also debuted for ISL in the Odisha FC. So specifically Goa has given us, and I'm quite confident that in the coming years we still have more players from Goa in the academy who will go on to represent ISL clubs, club and country.
Thank you so much.
In 2018, I joined RFIC. So before that, I was in GFDC Residential Academy, Margao. So we went to play Mumbai with RFIC friendly matches. We played 2 friendly matches. So from there, I got selected. They saw me from there and they called me for trial. So 1 week I went to Mumbai and did training with them. So they got selected me, and I was there with RFIC for 4 years. So it's a good experience, good learning experience. The facilities and all are really good. The staff, the coaching staff, each and everyone, they take care really well. And they also look studies wise also, they see everything is good.
How does it feel coming back and teaching the youngsters after you?
It's good, like to be back and watching youngsters playing. I hope few of them get selected in Young Champs. It's a good platform. You really develop your skill over there, and you really develop as a player also.
4 years away from home, so how difficult was it, or was it easy enough?
No, like I was before that also, I was in Residential Academy, Margao, GFDC. So there also we used to stay in Margao away from our family. So 2 years
But
already I had
Margao is
experience.
still
Close by. But still it was like no problem from that wise.
What's your favorite thing at the academy?
Favorite thing will be The matches we used to play every Saturday. We used to play matches, friendly matches, and also they used to arrange a tour for us. So that was very good.
How does family take your acceptance into the program?
My family, my mom, dad always supported me for football, but going far away from family was little bit difficult. But
They come visit you often?
yeah,
Once this is done, so it's always like ISL is one of the platforms into which players are fed. So any preference of a team that you would like picking you?
no preference. But any club is all clubs are doing really good in ISL, so no preference. But hope to play for any club.
Okay, thank you so much.